Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 1974 Mercury Monterey. This is an AM-8 track. It's now an AM-FM 8-track. And it's wired to the original connector, so we don't get that big increase in output power, but we get FM. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get. Let's turn it on.
MyPatriotSupply.com now on sale. Save $200 per their
Balance left.
3-month emergency
Balance
ration
right.
kit. It lasts
Left.
25 years.
Right.
Delicious 2,000 calories a day.
And this is just a 2-speaker radio, so there's no front-rear fader to worry about. So now this means we can go straight to FM. So on this type of radio, to go between AM and FM, we turn it off, then right back on within about half a second. So let's do that. Off, on. Now we're on FM, and I have all 5 buttons preset to stations in my area for a quick test. It's getting better. Okay, so we got FM. Let's try the 8-track. Ready? Pull the tape out, radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light comes on. When I beg it to. Yep, you can see it. You can see it through these openings right here, flashing on and off as I connect and reconnect it. So dial light's working also. So everything's groovy. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen a brief demonstration on what I can do with an AM radio. I can make it AM FM without a whole lot of effort. So you can reach me for service by visiting the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order to review before calling me with a bunch of questions. All your questions will be answered on the work order. That keeps me on the bench where I need to be and off the phone where no work gets done. You're welcome to call me after you've read the work order. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Devin, for your business from Stewartville, Minnesota, and we'll see you all next time.